First brought you last night. Richard William Davis of Cabot has been identified as a suspect in a 46-year-old Montana murder case. Tonight, we're digging deeper into how he was identified. Glad to have you along tonight. I'm Laura Monteverde.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Bob Clausen. It was modern-day technology and a genetic testing unit that helped make this discovery. Our Katrin Asaph spoke with the Texas lab that sequenced the nearly 50-year-old strand of DNA and what they hope to accomplish with the results.
What does it take to solve a cold case nearly 50 years old? When key DNA evidence is scarce and degraded, typical forensic tests won't reveal much. That's where Othram comes in.
Most of the cases that come to us, they've been through other processes, they've attempted other methods, and nothing's worked.
David Middleman is the CEO of Othram, a genetic testing laboratory that picks up cold cases all but abandoned. Their sequencing helped to identify Richard William Davis, the suspect in a 46-year-old murder case with close ties to Arkansas.
There was only a tiny amount of DNA left in this case.
They specialize in samples like those taken from the Siobhan McGinnis investigation, with very little DNA and evidence collected years ago.
No matter how well you preserve evidence, over time, the DNA degrades.
Othram uses advanced technology to identify genetic markers in low-quality samples, something normal tests can't track.
Traditional forensic tests will look at about 20 markers. We look at tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of markers.
They then create a sequence profile that law enforcement can use to match with distant relatives and finally find a suspect.
We produced a profile from that DNA that the Bureau then took to do the genealogy. It was exciting to be able to help.
Middleman says the hope is that by solving these previously cold cases, other answers can be found and justice can finally be served.
Solving one case, you never know. You may get fortunate and end up solving a number of cases.
Othram's technology has been used to solve a number of cold cases across the United States, even in Canada, and even helped to identify an unknown body buried for over 130 years.